Guys, this is Lance from ThetaTraders.com. Just wanted to go over the Cyber Monday special. It offers until Monday at midnight. You'll get lifetime access for 0DTE trades. So you can see I do 0DTE pretty much every day. Only days I won't do it is when Jerome Powell speaks in a Fed meeting. But if you look at $1,000 starting on one contract, so it's small account friendly. For the whole year, we are at 1333, so 33.3% returns for the year, better than just buy and hold SPY. And this includes commissions as well. So if you're interested in 0DT every day, you'll also get longer dated credit spreads. These are a little bit more hands-off where you sell to OPEC's third Friday of every month. And we're going to be going into January starting Monday. So if you're interested in longer dated spreads and 0DTE spreads, you could join on the link below. These are the 0DTE recommendations. It says exactly what to do on them. So where SPX is, CCS the call credit spread, tells you where to sell and buy the call. You also stop out on the trade if it's going against us. And then you can see how to actually fill them in. For the longer dated trades, same idea. I'll tell you the stock, expiration date, where to sell the put, where to buy the put to make it a put credit spread. I'll put a minimum amount of premium to take in, and I write down what I got as well. And then you could 3x stop or alert price. I typically do an alert price. If it touches it, they don't get out of the trade, and based on a probability event. So again, if you're interested, there's a link in the description down below for the Cyber Monday deal. Again, it expires Monday at midnight. Hope to see you guys on the Discord, and have a good day.